Hello children, how are you all of you? Fine, good. Now in previous video I discussed you about static electricity, then types of charges, that is positive charge and negative charge. Positive charge is called a proton and negative charge called a electron. So an electron having a negative charge and proton having a positive charge. And how an object is charged. By three methods we can able to charge a object. First is your induction, conduction and friction. Now today we are going to discuss about a gold leaf electroscope. That is your gold leaf electroscope. This is the instrument by which we can able to measure or detect the charges. So gold leaf electroscope is a device by which we can able to measure or detect the charge. Now what is gold leaf electroscope experiment? Gold leaf electroscope has two gold leaves. Gold leaf electroscope has two gold leaves suspended from a metal, usually brass, stem in a vacuum glass jar and connected to a metal cap. Detect charges. Body under test is touched with the metal cap. Here we want to test that one is touched with the metal cap. If the leaves diverge, the body is charged. If there is no effect on leaves, then body is uncharged. Gold leaf electroscope has two gold leaves suspended from a metal which is usually brass, stem in a vacuumed glass jar and connected to a metal cap. So here this is how the electroscope work. Now why gold leaf is used in electroscope? Now next question is arises, why gold leaf is used in a electroscope? A gold leaf electroscope is a device used to detect the presence of electric charge on a body and its relative amount. So it is a device which is used to detect the presence of electric charge on a body and its relative amount. These are safety measures. If an excessive charge is applied to the detected gold leaves, they will touch the grounding plate, discharge before tearing. These are a safety measure. If excessive charge is applied to the delicate gold leaves, they will touch the grounding plate and discharge before tearing. So it is a device which is used to detect the presence of electric charge on a body and its relative amount. Mostly which metal is used in gold leaf electroscope? We can able to use a silver, gold, brass, but the brass is the most common. So the gold leaf electroscope was developed by in 1787 by British clergyman and physician Abraham Bennett as a most sensitive instrument than pith ball or straw belt electroscope than in use. It consists of a vertical metal rod, usually brass, from the end of which hang two parallel strips of thin flexible gold leaf. So here we use mostly the brass is used in the gold leaf electroscope. Now what are the two uses of gold leaf electroscope? Gold leaf electroscopes is used to measure the electric charge. To detect and test small electric charge, to produce electric current, to produce electric charge. So gold leaf electroscope is used to measure the electric charge, to detect and test small electric charge, to produce electric current and to produce electric charge. How does a gold leaf electroscope work? Gold leaf electroscope is used for detecting electric charge present in a body and identify its polarity. Its operation is based on the principle of electrostatic induction. So it is based on the principle of electrostatic induction and like charge repulsion. If charge object is brought near to the plate, then the needle will gain the same charge and will swirl away. So this is the work done by the electroscope. We can able to detect electric charge present in a body and identify its polarity. So I hope you understood how the gold leaf electroscope work. Now thank you.